Hello everyone, this is GMEC again, back with another video. And what you're looking at is the start of making some pickles. We already did 8 quarts, and we're doing 8 more. Over here, we're working. Getting things cut up and processed. First we cleaned them, cut them, had our jars all cleaned up, sanitized our lids and our rings, and now we're over here. These are ready for the brine. Waiting for this to boil. And this is a DIY thing to preserve food, and it's actually, some of this is out of our garden and some of it's from a CSA we do. So just not so much a quick tip, lots of videos on YouTube you can check out for doing making canning pickles, just showing you what I'm doing. So if you like the video, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, notification bell, so you can keep on tuned in to GMEC. So thanks for watching. In this case here, I guess it's keep on canning.